In this video, we will look at how to use a PDF link checker to find and mark up link errors with the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. The PDF link checker is a tool that scans your PDF document for broken or invalid links. It checks internal links to ensure they point to the correct pages or destinations within the same PDF. It verifies external links to other files, attachments, or websites, ensuring they are still active and reachable. Errors are optionally marked in the PDF, and a detailed CSV report is generated for further review and correction. The common types of missing or broken links the PDF link checker can find are links to missing pages within the document, missing named destinations, missing external PDFs or non-PDF files, missing file attachments in the PDF. Links with absolute file paths to external files, or links to invalid or unreachable web addresses. The following video tutorial explains how to configure and run the link checker on the currently open PDF file. First, navigate and click on the menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Now click on the Plugins menu, then on the Links section, click on the Find and Fix Link Errors menu, and onto the Markup Link Errors menu. In the Markup Link Errors dialog, select the necessary checking options for your project. After selection, press the OK button to save these settings. Press the OK button again to start processing. Press the OK button again to open the processing report. Each link error is listed in the generated spreadsheet on a separate row with the following details: item number in the first column, page where hyperlink is located on the second, the action type, whether to go to a page view, open a web link, open a file, etc. The action description, if available, is on the fourth column. The error description on the fifth, and the link location on the page is listed on the sixth column. The link location is specified relatively to the upper left corner of the page, using millimeters as a measurement unit. Now to check results. Check the pages with the error markup and optionally use Acrobat's link tool to edit hyperlinks. Point the mouse cursor at the note icons to see the link error details. Now to fix the link to a missing URL error, navigate to the Edit a PDF option on the left-hand side of the screen. Then click on More. Click on the link option and then click on the Add or Edit a Link button. Now click on the text where the URL is missing and click on the Properties button. In the Link Properties window, click on the Actions tab. Click on Open a Web Link and click the Edit button. Here, enter the correct URL for your project. And click on the OK button. To fix the link to a missing page issue, right-click on the link where that issue occurs and click on the Properties button. Then click on Actions, click on Go to a page in this document, and click on the Delete button to remove the existing incorrect action. Now add a correct link action by selecting the Go to Page View action from the list and press the Add button. Use the scroll bars, mouse, and zoom tools to select the target view, then press Set Link to create the link destination. Click on the OK button to save these changes. Another way to check for link errors is to generate a detailed bookmark and link report for one or more documents. To do this, navigate to the Menu button, select the Plugins menu, Click on the Links option and click on the Create Link and Bookmark Report button. Choose the desired processing options for your project and click on the Add File button to add files for processing. Now select the desired PDF documents for error link report generation and click on the Open button. Click on the OK button to begin the report generation. Now save the report in HTML format to a folder on your computer. The report would be automatically open in your web browser. The report contains detailed document statistics, lists all external files and web URL dependencies, and shows all link errors. You can automatically fix many file and web link errors by performing search and replace operations on the file paths and web addresses. Select the search and replace link actions from the plugins menu to access this operation. Enter search and replace text and choose what link types need to be processed. This operation is covered in a separate tutorial on the Evermap YouTube channel. Click on the OK button to perform the search and replace operation. It will modify all links that match with the Find What text in the action. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.